Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Dodge Challenger. And if you have problems where the air conditioner clutch does not work, air conditioner doesn't work, stay with us. We'll explain guys where the relay, the fuse for the clutch is located. You have up to 2 fuses. We'll have a special video about the AC clutch relay as well, but in today's video we'll explain which 2 fuses you need to check. Most people would just check one and stop there, and we'll explain why it's super important to test the fuses, otherwise you may spend quite a bit of time and money fixing that problem. So let's explain about that now. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage will be making at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On that Dodge Challenger specifically, we will be taking completely apart transmission engine wise, and we have multiple ones which are the V6 and the V8, so videos will be coming very soon. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So let me show you what we need to do now here guys. We need to go ahead and open the hood now. Yeah, it's been a little bit of an accident, but let us show you here now. It's a little bit more convenient, I guess. We don't have the door. You need to go ahead and open the hood, right? It will be usually located right here. So we'll go ahead, open the hood on that Dodge Challenger, and right here under the hood. But the way everything works perfect on this car, but I will be making tons of videos to teach you how to fix things. This is guys the fuse box that we have here. In order to remove it, what you need to do, you need to go ahead, grab these 2 things, squish towards each other, pull, and the lid will come out. And perfect, just like that. No, like this one. Yep, so we don't have glare. Now let me get something to point with and show you guys, okay, show you where actually the fuses are located for the AC clutch, and we'll explain where you can buy cheap fuses from as well. So if you look here now guys, you need to find fuse number 12. Okay, we're talking about that 4th fuse right here. So so if we come right here, we 1, 2, 3, 4. This fuse, that 10M fuse, that's for the clutch right here guys, AC clutch. Check this fuse now. There is one more that you need to check, okay, and the other one is known as fuse number 39 guys, fuse number 39. And if you come right here, it will be this fuse right here. That's for the AC clutch as well. We have a video how to replace AC clutch and how to replace AC compressor. If you need to buy replacement fuses guys for a really good price and quick shipping, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you need help with anything on Dodge Challenger, let us know. We'll be making 10 of videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.